guys, looks like the throttle came in from Nibbi Racing. Some people had some issues with it not fitting together properly because of its machining. There's no problems here. Everything fits. And when you squeeze down, it turns. You can drop it on a standard BMX handlebar. It's going to be going on a bicycle anyway, so for my e-bike, not for a motorcycle. Tighten it down. Still turns. No problems. Obviously, it doesn't have a return spring, or it could use a little bit of lubrication in between the handlebars and the grip. But it's good. So we'll get started on it. Motorcycle racing use only. What the hell else would you use it for? Well, this is the start anyway. Here's my old throttle here. And this one's different. I don't know if I can depot that hull. It's in there with epoxy pretty good. Yeah, that's in there pretty good. I've never seen that before. But that ain't coming out. And when you pull this apart, there's your magnet ring right there. So this would be like that. And then you got your spring sitting in there. That's about it. So we had to figure out a way of digging that out. And then we'll see how we can mount it in there. Okay, I've had a chance to try a bunch of different setups with this throttle. I will say it's very smooth. What I did first to test it is I took a rear brake cable and I had to Dremel some of the end off of it to get it to fit in the slot of the throttle. I guess I could show you that. Just push down. Just move here. Because obviously it's not a throttle cable, so it's not designed for this. But I took about 20 minutes and dremeled the end off of it, so it fits in there nice and neat. Okay. And after I put it on the bike, it's like super smooth. It's got a nice snap to it too. I took this brake cable, or this old brake here, and I put that on the end of it, so it's spring loaded. The reason why I'm going to end up building a little box, like the cable will go to the frame of the bike, and then there'll be a box that the cable goes into, and then inside the box will be a pot with an actuator arm, and it'll be spring loaded, so when you pull the throttle, it'll pull the cable and it'll turn the actuator on to the pot. I've already tested this pot, it works as a throttle. This setup as is better this way because if anything happens, like a crash, I can just replace this and take the cable out of it. I don't have to monkey around by dremeling it or anything. The hardest part will be building the box where the cable slides into, and that's about it. And the box will be mounted to the bike, and then the cable comes out and goes to your controller. And once you build the box, you're good to go, right? So that's the idea. fitting on the, I don't know, I put it on the bike, it fit perfectly, it's super smooth. So it should work out pretty good. So that's where I've got so far. When I get the box pre-built and I get into testing it with the throttle, I'll make another video. Later guys.